Hello and welcome to my Authentic project. This task has been produced to help teach you and allow you to teach yourselves about food chains and food webs. Let's go on a quick tour of the site. This is the homepage describing what is on the site and where you'll find this video eventually. If we go to the project overview page, this is an abstract of the project as well as how it fits authentic learning. If we go to the project content page, this video covers the stuff that's on the project contents page that you absolutely need to know. Then you find the About Me page, which is surprisingly about me. And you find the resources page, which is mostly for your teacher. On the project overview page, you can see that this project is designed to fill the curriculum point. Interactions between organisms, including the effects of human activities, can be represented by food chains and food webs. This project has 3 learning outcomes. These are the use of dichotomous keys, explain and create food chains and food webs, and manipulate and justify changes to food webs based on human impact. 8 steps. The first step is revision, where you'll be revising the hierarchical classification system, binomial nomenclature, and the application of dichotomous keys. The next is, wait for it, a field trip. This should be to a local bushland, where you will sample using professional biological techniques the plants and animals of the area. Back in class, you'll then use dichotomous keys to identify the animals and plants that you have sampled. After you finish that, your teacher will then, across a couple lessons, teach you about food chains. After those lessons, you take over your own learning, and this is where you build on what your new understanding of food chains. I encourage you to use Australian examples during your investigation, as this will aid you when. Next in your group, you'll create a food web using a digital medium. I suggest YA Graph Editor. This criteria for the food webs include pictures, common name and scientific names, classification, trophic levels, energy movement, and endemic or introduced. These will all be required for each specimen on the food web. Each member in your group will be required to add 3 organisms to the food web at least. After you've completed your food web, your teacher will then give you a way that humans could impact the ecosystem. You'll have to manipulate your food web accordingly and justify how you've changed it. Lastly, you'll be uploading your food research. Lastly, you will be uploading your food web research, food webs, and your justification for how humans have impacted your food web to your class website. This can be viewed by other students, teachers, and parents. This website page will be what you're marked on, as well as collaborative effort and sampling on the field trip. The last thing I want to bring to your attention is an example end product. You will be making a much more complex one that should be made to a greater quality as well. It has mostly been provided to show the detail required for each specimen. See the WOI. Thank you for listening and good luck.